Divas. So today on this video, what I'm going to do is be showing you what's in this box. Alright, so what's going on is that this is, I'm reading my notes, this is a polish starter kit. It has colors in it that is for the fall and autumn and winter. And I thought this would be a nice good set to give to you guys when I reach 1,000 subscribers. So let me show you what's inside. Okay. Now in this particular box, you will not be getting this one because I'm touching it. Okay, so I will be giving you a brand new box, not opened, not touched, so it can be freshly, nicely yours, COVID-19 free. But I don't have COVID-19, but I'm just saying. All right, so in the pouch there is a brush. Okay, there's a very nice pink file. I think that is cute. And these are the finger and toe dividers. A brush, a nail file again, and you have the cuticle pusher. And this little guy, I don't know what that's for, sorry. And a clip, nail clip. Okay, so all those items there will be in this pouch. All right. That's all of that. And then now they have 3 individual boxes. And so in this little box here, okay, they have some cuticle oil. That's cute. That's a nice size. Okay, cuticle oil. And here is another box here, and they have 3 individual polishes. So this one is Beetles. Now this product is Beetle gel polish. I love this brand. They're not sponsoring me. I just love their polishes. It's perfect for me and the things in the art and everything that I like to create. But anyway, so this is matte. And this is the top coat. And this is the base. So with gel polishes, as you know, you have to put the base on before you put any other polish on. Okay, put those back. Alrighty. Alright, then you have a big box. Okay. So in this part, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 polishes. Okay. And now these are designed for, just like I had said earlier, for your fall, autumn, and winter set. So these are the colors. Here. Here. And there are full polished bottles. So I thought that was pretty cool. Okay. For the grand finale, you get a UV light. Yeah, check that out. Thought that was pretty cool. I mean, this is a full size UV light. UV LED. Okay, and it comes with the cord. So this is everything you would need to do a complete set of pedicure, manicure, whether if it's for acrylic gel extension, just regular manicure for someone's regular natural nail. This is everything you need in one box. And I am wanting to give this away as soon as I reach 1,000 subscribers. So I need you guys to come on and follow me on this journey. Be one of my little Candy Divas. And I will be doing a drawing to see who get this box. Okay, so it will be a brand new fresh box. This is mine to create some beautiful nails on my website at www.CandyDivasPressOnNails.etsy.com. So this is mine to do those creations for you guys. But other than that, you will have your own brand new, not open or touch box shipped to you by me as soon as I get to 1,000 subscribers. So you guys help support my channel, and I really truly appreciate it. So you guys have a blessed day. Bye. Hello guys, just FYI, when you become a subscriber on YouTube, like you have an account with YouTube, you are automatically put into default, which is private. So if a YouTuber want to give away a gift, they can't see who you are to select you as a winner. So you will have to go into your account and select public and take it off private. So just a little FYI. Bye.